Hey, good morning, it's Owen Bigland. This is the Inside Edge video blog. Time for my quarterly market update, this one for fall 2015. Not a lot has changed since my last update for summer. Market generally is still a very strong seller's market. Lots of buyers out there, more buyers than there is inventory. Now, I think the real thing to focus in on right now as far as the Vancouver market goes moving forward is inventory levels. And in my over 20 years in real estate, I can't remember a time where there has been less inventory than where there is right now. I've never seen anything like it, actually. There are very few homes for sale, a lot more buyers than there are sellers. Now, this past spring, when we were breaking all kinds of sales records, we did that because naturally our spring market tends to be our most active, where you get a lot of new listings coming out. We had a lot of buyers and we were able to get a lot of new listings, and that's where we were breaking all these volume numbers. In the summertime, the market tends to slow down a bit. Kids are out of school, people are on vacation, so the inventory levels tend to drop. Now, this past summer was a good summer. Still lots of buyers. The market was quite active, more active than an average summer. But inventory levels dropped. It's according to the season, and usually they do in the summer. Now, usually a couple weeks after Labor Day, we start to see a spike in listings again, in inventory. But that hasn't happened so far. And this is going to be the story moving forward. There is just not a lot of inventory out there right now. I've got several buyers that I'm working with that are looking for condo units in the Mount Pleasant area, Gastown area. Very little on the market. It's kind of a wait and see. We're keeping an eye on the hot sheets on the MLS every day. When something hits that's suitable for these people, we go out and take a look at it right away, and a lot of times we're going to be in competition. I've got another set of buyers that are looking for a good older townhouse in West Richmond. Same thing. The good complexes that I follow, there is nothing for sale right now. Now that can change on a day-to-day basis, but inventory levels are very low. The lowest I've seen on memory, as far as I can remember. Now, my brokerage, MACDONALD Realty Westmar, we're one of the largest brokerages in the Lower Mainland. So as our brokerage goes, so does the market. And I can easily look up what the inventory is from MACDONALD Westmar. We've got over 250 realtors in our office. Now, I can tell you over the last 5-6 years, I can go into our inventory numbers. We've got anywhere between 550, 600 listings at any given time at MACDONALD Westmar. I can remember in the fall of 2012, the last down market we had, we were well into the 700 homes for sale out of my brokerage. I just checked 10 minutes ago. As of today, we're sitting at 245 listings. So we're about a third of what we normally have, and I'm in the same boat. I currently only have 3 listings that I currently have for sale, and one I just got an accepted offer on. Normally I run 8 to 10 listings at any time. So there's just not a lot of inventory out there. And that's going to be interesting moving forward. There's still a lot of buyers, but people are holding tight. And in some of the clients that I've talked to that are considering listing over the next 6 to 10 months, a lot of them are saying, I want to list, but there's no real urgency there, because they figure, hey, the market's continuing to go up. Maybe we should wait till spring, and our house could be worth $60,000, $70,000, $80,000 more come spring 2016, and they could be right. Now, I've said all along, markets can turn on a dime. The Vancouver market is really linked to interest rates. Right now, interest rates are at rock bottom lows. I don't see them being increased anytime in the near future. Maybe sometime later in 2016, but who knows? It's too hard to gauge. So for right now, I think the whole story is inventory levels. And in Vancouver, Richmond, they're at pretty much record lows. There's a lot more buyers than there is homes to sell. And when you get that situation, the prices tend to continue to go up, which is what we're still having right now. I'm Owen Bigland. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.